So we are in the mail. Let's see what they sent us. Let's see the stuff. The account we opened. Okay. They just sent us thank you for this. Let's see open. Let's click open an account. Open trading account. Any of the browser we do. So after that form you filled, all right, you want to open an account. So do you remember your email address that you used to log in? I think we used African 90 here, and then if I remember. All right, so we open new account. So you can open real account, you can try the demo. So standard, and you see sent account, so just stay with the standard. Okay, let's try demo first. This add Exness to home screen, you can do it. I already have it. You can just click it and it will download. So you see standard, you see open your account, standard, you see demo, you see real. So this trading platform, choose MT4. Okay, it's MT4 you have. It's MT4 we downloaded. Then the account type demo, and there's real. So just leave it at demo first. Now look at the leverage. You can change the leverage. So the reason why I like Exness is they use very high leverage. Okay, and that is one thing you need when choosing a broker. You need broker that have high leverage. Some of these things we'll discuss more in the mentorship. So here you can choose your balance. If you like, you can choose $5,000 balance that you want to be trading with, but just choose what you can fund. For example, if it's $50, look at, you can just reduce the zero. If it is $100 you want to choose, just type in $100. Okay, then Exness has a lot of currency. They have lots and lots and lots of currencies. Okay, so many country currencies, anyone you can choose. I think they are the best. To me, they are the best broker I've ever seen in ages. Then the account nickname, you can change the nickname. So if, for example, I use Peter's Dynasty, sometimes I use Dynasty Capital, sometimes I use, so you can just use your guy name. Let me just say, you can just say your name is Dollar Gang, right? Dollar Gang, that's your nickname. It will just appear in your MT4. So here now you create your password. Okay, I already have my password that I have been using, so let me just put it again. Let me be sure. Okay, I think that's it. So you now click on create account. So when you create account, you will see my dashboard. They will now show me my dashboard. This was the account I created. Okay, you see that $100? That's my account that I have created. So I can click this side, this place like this. You see account information. Just click on account information so that you can go to that MT4 that we downloaded and go and log in. You see my account information. See the MT4 login. So then this is your server. Look at server on top, and this is MT4 login. Those are the two most important things you are going to be working with on the MT4 app. Okay, so this is server. So the server is what? MT4 trial 10.exness whatever, but it's Exness trial 10. That is your server name. Then see your MT4 login 71184. So just tap this copy button and just copy the number. Also remember the password that you have been using. Okay, I will suggest that you choose a password that you always remember. Okay, don't go and be choosing different password for all the accounts. The account you use to open the trade, I mean the password you use to open this account should be the same password for that you use to open the trading account. Okay, remember we did two opening. We opened one account that they sent us a mail, so it was that mail. We went to our mail, we now saw open trading account. Okay, so we now open a trading account and I use the same password. But if you have brain to remember all your password, why not? You can use as different type. But I have a lot of things I do online, so I use 2 or 3 password for all my work. Okay,